What did you say?
Because dados come out.
Well, what were we talking about?
We were talking. Oh!
You asked me a question.
Anybody jump from here and die?
And I said that probably, and they would make it sound like "Whoa!" just before, and then at the end.
Dados come out.
Yeah.
When people die, they will release dados and berber.
What is bird?
Berber just pee.
What is dados?
Dados is shit. It's
Wow.
马特话.
Mata? Who's Mata?
That guy hold the camera.
Oh, okay. Because why did I do that? Because I don't know Chinese, so I kind of make up my own.
No, because sometimes we need our language nobody can understand.
Yeah.
So we can speak louder. I want dados. Nobody know. I want to go to Berber. Nobody know. KGDR. Who are you? Anybody else can say this so loud here?
Nobody.
我要杂哦.
In Chinese, the kid saying for taking a piss is "niao niao," and it's basically the literal translation. I don't know, but bird in Chinese is "niao." So I was like, wow, that's basically like you're saying bird if you want to go to take a piss. So that became piss, and then
we try very hard to find out how to say shite.
yeah, like I gotta take a shit, you know. Well, it's big. Da is in Chinese, and then Chinese, and then we go to Spanish, and we say the dos, uno dos. So da dos is a big number 2, and nobody can translate that. Nobody knows.